Wouldn't it be wonderful if you could press a few buttons and start receiving $5, $10, or $20 repeat payments in your wallet or account balance? We often despise small sums of money such as $5 because they are so worthless. However, this is not the case for the websites I'm about to show you in this video. In today's video, you may only be paid $10 or $20 each time, but if you total up all of those $20 payments, they may quickly add up to huge sums, easily reaching $250 to $500 every day. You can choose different payment methods to cash out straight away, including PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, and many others. This website is absolutely free and they're currently expanding to a variety of countries. So I'm really thrilled to share those opportunities with you, as well as provide you with a few bonus steps that'll double or triple your earnings with just a few mouse clicks. So make sure you tune in and stay until the very end. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Right now, the first thing I want you to do is go to this website, but don't worry, because I'm going to share with you the URL of our today's platform in a bit after I discuss how it works. When you are at this website, you will notice the following message: let's make the web a better place. This is a 100% legitimate company that is now quite popular in the industry. It allows you and me to work from home without any prior expertise or technical knowledge. Pay close attention because I'm about to show you all you need to know to start earning money online right now. So, first, when you get to the homepage, click on the sign in button right here. You can sign in by simply entering your email address, password, and clicking the sign in button. This is a really simple process, but there are a number of things I want you to perform when you log into your account. So the first thing I want you to do is check your email inbox, because if this is your first time signing up for a free account, you'll notice that it's a completely new account which you can activate by going into your email inbox and clicking on the verification link here. When you connect into your Android app dashboard, you'll notice that this is actually inside the account. We can see hello, your name right here, and let's make the internet a better place today. This is where I can actually do something to go forward. As you can see, this is a mission program. You can see here that's my mission progress and it's at 1%. Now as I continue and complete more projects and missions, this little cow will move from left to the right. The best part is that I will receive additional cash rewards and bonus money, which is why I like this website and definitely recommend it to beginners and novices. Okay, so there are a few things I want to show you in this video that'll help you double or triple your money using a small secret trick that I discovered after working on this website. So keep watching and don't skip any sections. So the first thing you'll notice on your dashboard is that you can see polls and how many poll questions you responded to if you scroll down. Now, when I say poll, I'm referring to these specific questions. This question, for example, you must respond to what your answer really is. So if I select moderate, you'll see the following: where on the political spectrum do you identify with the most? And right here, they show us the survey statistics, the poll of how many people click those 4 choices. Now, you don't have to do anything on this question. All you have to do is click continue. As you can see, I just completed another poll question and my responses are adding up. Then another question will show up and I'll give another example as you can see below. For example, if I click yes, you can see the polls have already been responded to, and if I click continue, you can see other polls have already been answered. If you want to make money online, it's critical that you answer these poll questions because the more polls you answer, the more points you'll get, and you'll be able to move from here to here and earn bonus money. Also, the more poll questions you answer, the easier it is for this website to match you with the most appropriate projects based on your demographics and hobbies, which means you'll get more missions and earn more money as a result. You can simply click on the button and continue to ask the same questions over and over, and there is no limit. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, let me quickly go through all of the poll questions that have already been answered, and you can see all of the questions and my responses. And the more questions you answer and the polls you take, the more money you'll make. Now, before I forget, you can do this on your phone or computer and it works everywhere in the world. Moving on to the following tip. When you click on Achievement, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can monitor your progress. As you can see, I've just earned 2 badges and increased my total points. Now, since this is my first mission, all I ask of you right now is that you take the test, answer the poll questions, and be active. That is, you must log into your account every day in order to gain further bonus points and money. Do it for 30 days in a row, spending only 5 minutes every day. Simply answer a poll question right here and you'll have completed mission number 1. You can see this little green dot right here, so if I keep doing the same thing and if I keep completing more polls, I'll be able to progress from left to right. So here are all the badges you can gain. The more badges you earn, the more points and bonus money you can earn on this website. Now there's one more important thing you need to set up if you want to make 3 times more money. Pay attention to this when you log into your account. So you need to click on the arrow button right here, then click on Test Preference and you'll be sent to this screen. All of your polls answers for the questions will be kept private and confidential, as you can see here at Test Preferences. Now, let's make sure that all of your profile settings are up to date, and as a reminder, your response to this question will be kept private. So right here on the device that you can test on, I'd like you to select all of these 3 different devices: mobile, tablet, and desktop. The reason I want you to choose all of these devices is because the more devices that you choose to monetize, the more polls you can answer and the more money you can make for testing availability. So what is the best time for you to receive the test? Well, you can choose Send Me the Test as soon as possible, because if you do, they'll send you more tests within your account, as well as more test notifications in your email inbox, which gives you more opportunities to earn more. Also, it's important to choose this option, Send Me an Email, when I qualify for a test. You may also enter your phone number here to validate your phone numbers so that they can give you an SMS notification once a new test is available for you. It is essential that you follow all the settings below in order to make the most money on this website. I hope you can see how simple it is to use this website to repeat this process as many times as you want by simply clicking on a few buttons. I genuinely believe anyone can do this, so all you have to do is focus on your progress by completing the objective by earning more points and badges as shown above, and you'll see your programs go from 0% to 100% and you'll be able to earn extra bonus money. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.